What's up, everybody? I'm Bal, joined by Psycho and Tolbini, and we are gearing up to go knock out the Valguero bosses. We're going to attempt it with our Direwolf meme dream team.
Werewolf meme dream team. I like it.
Hell yeah! Let's
Oh,
go.
I gotta name the alpha. Don't let me forget that.
Yep. All right. But yeah, we're over here. We're gonna get staged, get ready, and we're gonna see how this goes. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a little worried.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a tad bit worried.
We got this though.
I hope so. I hope we do.
Where are you guys at?
Underneath Green Up.
The giant green thing. I'm gonna try and keep them spaced out so you can see which one's your pack leader that you want to use.
Yep. Oh, what the fuck?
Can you kill that? I don't have anything on me at the moment. I couldn't even get to my... And it put a bleed on. Oh, that's fun.
You can heal it with the data on.
Yeah, no, it's just really freaking annoying.
I'm gonna bring the wyvern over here till we get staged.
I've never seen one of those over here.
I have. I should have saw that coming.
Like, I mean, I've seen them in the area, in the jungle. I've just never seen one actually near the obelisk.
All right.
That's
Tank's getting half of these.
All right. That's just our luck.
All right. I'm lagging a lot. So what I'm gonna do, since we're safe here, is I'm gonna restart.
Oh, that's comforting. We're starting off right.
Yeah, I know. So I'll restart. I'll join back in the Discord once I restart. Hey, I'm back.
All right, welcome back. I got one that I named Alpha. It's the highest level by like one level, I think. What are you? Oh, he parked something over there.
Pack leader.
What's up?
As long as he's pack leader.
Yeah, it's pack leader. It's a pack leader +4.
I'm loading in my stuff now.
I think we've got everything basically situated.
I had 30 veggie cakes on me if you want to put it in the mammoth that is not spider tank.
All right, let me find you. What are you doing? You can leave them over there, man. Topini's just over there dancing around with a.
I'm trying to give him the fucking land.
God Christ.
He's definitely listening to you. He's not gonna land when you're over water. Oh no. I gotta find where you passed out.
I'm loading in now.
Oh, there you are. Alright, let's move the med brews to this one. Or not the med brews, the veggie cakes. Alright, so basically general strat ideal here is we're gonna attempt to kind of we're gonna stage at the start. You're gonna see a staircase going down. We want to make sure that the mana core moves, so like whoever's on, so Psycho, since you've been on the Direwolf, just kind of run out a little bit and see and check to see where it's at and make sure it's moving so it doesn't get stuck up in the air. I guess there's a glitch. Duck back, and we want to try and bait the dragon, or wait until the dragon lands. Bait it forward, and then just rush it.
Okay. Loading in mods. Last mod loading now.
And then
Somebody come help me with this goddamn Terry.
just where did you put it? Where is it? What the hell are you?
He refuses to land. I'm on fucking land.
Whistle stop.
Jesus Christ. Nice.
All right. Behavior.
Alright, I'm back. Okay.
All right. So when you're on your wolf, just Psycho, I think
Yeah.
the best bet is for you to whistle attack my target, like, or yeah, so that they're all set for that, and then that way you can kind of lead the charge after he engages, and maybe have them all follow you, and we'll just have Doug L. Jackson here kind of go in on the tank.
Do you want me to just click follow all right now?
No, not until I would say not until we get in there, just to be
Alright,
safe.
so when we get in, I'll follow all. Go make sure the Manticore is moving, and then try to bait the dragon.
Whoa.
Right?
Check and see if it's moving. Then when you come back, follow all.
Okay.
That way they don't all rush out there on accident or anything.
Do we not have any Dionycuses with us too?
Well, we didn't bring those. This is the Direwolf meme team.
Okay, I'm just double checking those.
That will be a whole nother meme team.
Yo.
I don't think they're ready yet. All right. Are you guys good? Everybody kind of got a idea of what we're doing here. Make sure your water's topped
Base
off.
male 1 is sacrifice.
What's up?
Base male 1 sacrifice.
Base Mail 1 is another tank boy.
Base Mail 1 is going to be your tank. Your tanker.
Yeah, so get on Base Mail 1 when we get in.
Once we get in there, hop on him. We'll get staged and set up. All right.
Alright,
Whew. Here we go. Here we go, boys.
let's do it.
Hold on to your butts. We're going in.
My character doesn't have a butt.
You're right. No, it has a back butt.
Those are back boobs, bro.
Back boobs. Ugh. It's so much worse somehow. Even though back ass would be bad.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Are you ready?
No, I'm
Too
not
late.
ready.
Okay, where's
All right. Here we go. Get yourselves
I'm on
situated. I'm gonna jump on Warpath. Grab.
Manticore's moving.
Okay.
Manticore aggroed.
Nope. Okay, so let's get staged. Get the make sure you pop your rare flower there, or your rare mushroom.
Here we go.
We want to bait the dragon. Once the dragon lands, we're going. So make sure he doesn't get stuck.
Go. Nope. Dragon didn't land.
Yeah, we've got to get. They're landed, but we got to get him free. All right, that's on you. Whenever you can get forward.
Let's go.
There we go.
Okay, boys. Okay.
Here we go. Come on. Get up there.
I just did the thing. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, there's so many numbers.
We're going for Megapithecus next. We're going for the gorilla next.
Got it. Dead.
Tolbini, once this thing's gone,
I can't move.
I'm clearing that off. I'm
I
stuck
can't
in the
move, I'm
dragon.
stuck.
Are you freaking kidding me? We've got to get them to kill this body.
I'm not getting anything out of it. Wait.
We'll have to worry about that later, but we got to get out of it.
I know, I can't get out of it.
This is our luck. This is our luck. We are so.
I might be able to do something here. Hold on.
I just backed up and went around it.
Can,
I got all the wolves, or I got myself out. I can try to get somebody over here.
Can we get the wolves out?
Got them following me.
All right.
Slowly, but surely, they're all getting out.
All right, I'm gonna jump back on the Uteranus once we get clear. All right, Tobini, it's on you. Lead the charge.
I don't know where my direwolf is. Hold on.
Go for the. He's going for Manicore.
Fuck, I don't have a dino. I have to do sniper now.
Hop on the mammoth in the back. And then try to get around to the front.
Keep going, keep going.
Come on, boys, let's go!
Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Oh.
Round it up, round it up, round it up. Alright, screw it.
Monkey coming in.
Alpha's going over there. Why is Alpha going over there?
Attack this target.
I'm stunned.
Let's go. We're in it to win it. Let's go. Push them.
I don't have the wolf howl buff. Val, you got the howl.
I'm stuck.
Can you howl?
I'm
trying to get him loose. Can you move yet? Cool. Oh, you gotta hit the things that are under you.
I know. I'm trying to get free.
We have 2 bosses on us right now.
Oh, how did they get? We gotta get him back onto this.
Got it.
He's almost down. He's almost down. Let's go!
One more.
Rally up, rally up.
Where's Alpha? I don't see Alpha. If you see him, let me know.
Clear this out. All right.
We need Daedon to heal. Bad.
Somebody hop on. Can you hop on the data on there?
Got it.
I can't get out. We just gotta wait for it to land too. All right, I cheesed it. How's his meat looking?
It's fine on me.
All right. All right, we just gotta let it land. Once he lands, we're going in. So, Tobini, get ready.
Go for it, boys.
Woo!
It just did a jumpy jump.
Let's go! We
Come on, keep it up. Nothing's done.
get in there.
Oh no. You got the debuff roar yet?
I'm trying. Tobini, I need you up here.
Why isn't the passive heal working?
You hold right click and it should.
Okay.
Hey guys, I don't know what's happening. My thing's not working.
Oh no. Like, is your game not working or? Like, what's not working?
I got healers going right now. If you need heals, come to me.
Oh, here we go. Here it goes. All right. Once he lands, it's go time. So,
Yep.
buffs up.
What do I press to get my numbers back on?
What are you talking about numbers?
My numbers aren't on the screen anymore. Like my stats and shit. So I can't see like.
Where?
Backspace.
Oh, yeah, never mind. Come on, dude. Land the right way.
Once he lands.
Come on.
This is like the painful part of just like waiting.
Go.
Oh, come on!
Come the fuck on!
Can you shoot from the back of the Daedon? We might have to start shooting at it. At this point.
Can't, I'm healing. So if you want to come, if you want.
Yeah, I might in a second.
If you want me to do the sniper rifle, I can.
No. It's fine. Might just be a slow progression at this point. We got 22 minutes.
Oh, that's why. I need to fucking force feed it food, apparently.
Oh, is it not eating?
No.
Yeah, you can just hold the E while targeting one of those, and yeah.
Here we go.
I mean, they're getting it. When they're actually in there, they're getting it. It's just this thing's a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Don't mind the local chat that
I've been popping in mushrooms and it's been landing after I eat like 5 of them.
Yeah, I mean, try it.
Dude, this is annoying because it's not eating.
Yeah, you gotta I guess you gotta just keep forcing it.
I am, but it's just
That
it's
sucks.
hard to find the balance.
Come on, baby, let's go. You need to land.
Yeah. Fuck, dude.
Why is this? The freaking other mammoth is stuck. That's great.
Did it land? Let me know when it lands because I'm in my menu.
It's not wanting to. Oh, we might be getting ready for land. Nope. Alright.
This is really inconvenient, dude. Oh, there we go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Come on. We're almost there.
Come on, push! Get that final push in! I believe in you, wolves!
Fuck. That's right. I'm
Screw
healing
it.
as much as I can.
Eat a dick! Oh, we'll censor that out later.
That's fine.
Bro, why are you running in me right now?
Because it's on follow. Oh no! How did you... Oh no!
The fucking poison killed it. Let's go.
So that just means I go back to base then, right?
Yeah. We did it. We did it, boys. We did it. Oh my
I'll
God.
grab your
I
stuff.
couldn't
Damn.
move.
I couldn't... I got stuck.
Where's it stash? I don't see it stash.
There should be, somewhere.
I don't see it at all. Fuck, dude. Where is it?
It's... If it's only 40 element, I'm gonna be freaking pissed.
I don't know where anything else is. I don't see it.
It might have... That sucks.
Well, we have access to tech stuff now, don't we?
Yeah, but it's supposed to be like 40 per boss or something.
That sucks.
Double check, Tobini, double check your stuff and see if you have access to all that tech stuff. Can you whistle them off a follow?
Yep.
And I think that was another thing. It's like,
rooms or something.
yeah.
So if you just go into crafting, or not crafting,
Woo!
go into engrams, type in tech, T-E-K, and make sure
All right.
the tech grams all the way on the left-hand side, right-hand side are checked. Oh,
I only have
fucking
a
hell,
tech,
dude.
I only have a text sensor thing.
So up where you can type in that,
We can check it.
all the way to the right, there's going to be a bunch of like hexagrams.
All right. Well, so there you go. I guess the Wolf meme team is confirmed. It worked. I mean,
It worked.
All my stuff is black.
and you just need, to bring up a few support dinos, some tankers and Utyrannus and a Daedon, but the Wolves are, they did all right. Some of them are borderline dead, but they did all right.